Welcome to this video on the Modern Highway Code. We will explore the essential language, rules, and responsibilities that keep our roads safe. Understanding road signs starts with their shapes. Circles represent mandatory commands, triangles provide warnings and caution, and rectangles offer helpful information for navigation. Signs are built in layers to communicate clear instructions. A red border combined with a slash indicates a specific prohibition, such as no overtaking or no U-turns. Some signs break the shape rules for safety. The octagonal stop sign is uniquely shaped to be recognized even in poor conditions, while the inverted triangle demands you yield right of way. Anticipating the environment is key. Recognize dynamic hazards like hairpin bends or slippery roads, and remember to wait for oncoming traffic at structural choke points like narrow bridges. Look for blue signage for guidance to safe harbors, such as hospitals or first aid posts. Also, pay attention to the P symbol for permitted parking zones. Pavement markings also communicate rules. Differentiate between permissive zones where lane changes are allowed, restrictive zones where you must not cross, and the critical stop line at junctions. Adhering to speed limits is vital. Always be aware of the specific limits for your vehicle type, which can vary depending on whether you are on city roads, highways, or mountain passes. Executing a safe overtake requires a structured process. Assess your surroundings, signal your intent clearly, pass on the right, and then safely return to your lane. Avoid overtaking in danger zones such as blind curves, steep hills, or near pedestrian crossings. Additionally, avoid tailgating to ensure you maintain a safe following distance. At night, use proper visibility etiquette. Dim your headlights for oncoming vehicles to avoid blinding other drivers, and only use fog lamps when conditions specifically require them. The golden rule of parking is to always park on the left side of the road. Avoid prohibited zones like pedestrian crossings, turns, or in front of hospital entrances. At intersections, follow the hierarchy. Prioritize emergency vehicles, yield to pedestrians, and respect the right-of-way rules for main arteries and unmarked intersections. Pedestrians have supremacy at crossings. Always stop and wait for them to fully cross before proceeding. If there is no footpath, pedestrians should walk facing oncoming traffic. Finally, when approaching a railway crossing, follow the specific protocol for guarded or unguarded crossings to ensure you cross safely and without incident. A responsible driver must carry the correct documentation at all times. This portfolio includes your vehicle's registration certificate, a valid third-party insurance certificate, your driving license for the appropriate vehicle class, and a valid pollution under control certificate. Licensing also follows an age and class hierarchy. You can drive a motorcycle without gear at 16, with parental consent, light motor vehicles at 18, and heavy transport or commercial vehicles at age 20. In the event of an accident, your priority is to secure medical attention for any injured person immediately. You must also report the incident to the nearest police station within 24 hours. Remember, drunken driving is a serious offense that leads to heavy fines, imprisonment, and the suspension of your license. Finally, remember the golden rules of the road. Be predictable, protect vulnerable road users, and communicate clearly using signs and signals. Mastering these rules is about fluency and mutual respect on the road.